Hi everybody, I'm here with another video, and for those of you that don't know me, my name is Veronica, and in today's video I'm going to be having this get ready with me. And in this get ready with me, I'm going to be using most of the products are new and affordable products. Some of them are from Drugstore, some other products are from Burlington. If you're interested in watching how I achieved this look right here, then just keep on watching. As primer, I'm using the NYX Pore Filler. And foundation, I'm using NYX Total Control Drop Foundation in the color beige, and each of these were $13.99. I'm using the Beauty Blender to press on the foundation, and one thing that I really like about this foundation is that you can build it up to a full coverage, which is something that I need right now because, as you can see, I have redness all over my face from using the blackhead vacuum. And I was just using that a little bit ago because I was filming another video. Yeah. I wanted to mention about the NYX Pore Filler that I feel like that could be a dupe, in my opinion, for the Professional from Benefit. They have kind of the same texture, and I feel like it could be a dupe for my liking. Okay, I'm using the Banana Setting Powder. This one I got it on my Ipsy bag. It's been a while, but I just thought I would use it on this video since I'm using all new products. I'm going to be using the BB Paradise Foundation. No, the face palette. And this one I like because it has eyeshadows, it has blush, it has highlighter, it has everything you need for your face except the foundation, of course, and the primer. I forgot to mention that I used the Becca Aqua Luminous Perfecting Concealer to highlight my under eyes, and I'm using tape for this eye look. I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer to prime my eyelids. I'm going to be using the BB eye palette, face eye palette, and I'm starting with this color just all over my eyelid. I'm using the Physicians Formula, and I'm using this to contour my nose just a little bit. I'm going to be using this coral color all over my eyelid. This is going to be like my base first color on my eyelid, and just try to blend as much as you can. I'm using this Ariel Fuchsia color on my eyelid on top of the first color that I previously applied, and this is just to intensify the color. And I'm applying this color mostly on the 2/3 of my the corner of my eye, and then I'm just blending it towards my inner corner of the eye. I'm using this brown color on the outer V to smoke it out a little bit. And then if I'm not happy with the intensity of the color, I'm going to use the cacao color, and this is a more chocolatey brown color. Just blend and blend. I'm using Moana. This is a peachy color. I'm using this on my inner corner of the eye. And then I'm using the same exact colors on the bottom eyelid. I'm using Marc Jacobs eyeliner, and then just blend and blend. I'm using this sandstone silver color in my tear duct, and this is the highlighter I'm going to be using, and it's still from my BB Face and Eye palette, and I bought it at Burlington for only like $13. And then my all-time favorite, Laura Geller, my mascara. This is my favorite mascara. I've been using this for such a long time. And just applying a little bit more eyeliner. I'm using the Kiss Ritz false eyelashes from Walmart, and these are only like $3 if you buy a pair. And then I'm using these lipsticks that I bought from Burlington, glossy lipsticks, and honestly they're not glossy at all, and they are dry and patchy on your lips, so I would not recommend these lipsticks at all. So what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be using the KKW lip gloss on top of the other lipstick to give it a little bit more color. And yeah, this is the final look. I hope you liked it.
Can we talk? Hey, you.
Look, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. I will see you on my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.